Welcome back to Math Lovers. Today, we are solving this beautiful math problem. Let's dive in. We focus on transforming the right side. 2 raised to 2 to the root 2. We change the main base 2 to the square root of 2 squared. We multiply that square by the outer exponent, getting 2 times the power. We convert that coefficient 2 into the square root of 2 squared to unify bases. Since we have equal bases multiplying, we add their exponents, 2 plus 2 root 2. Now we convert the numbers 2 into the sum into a square roots square. This leaves us with a structure of pure square roots of 2. We factor out a square root of 2 in the exponents to give it final shape. We bring back the original equation and see the structure fits perfectly. By simple visual comparison, we conclude that x is worth the square root of 2. If you enjoyed this solution, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next challenge.